time for a bit of spring cleaning, and we've had a little bit of building works going on, and we've got really grimy window frames here. Can you see all this? I've also got really nice nails I don't want to wreck, and I end up using the cloth and going in with my thumb. However, I've come up with a great idea. A paintbrush. You might want to protect your carpet if that's what's beneath. If not, it can be wiped off, that's fine. I'm going to put my good old trusty rubber gloves on and a bit of soapy water on the brush. It gets all in there. See that? Saves your fingernails. Mo's come to check it all out. You alright, Mo? Mo, you're sitting on the mat. I'm trying to clean these almost impossible to reach places. Just get around there like that. Right, with the paintbrush should do it, but if you've got a really fine groove, get a little artist brush. There's still the rubbish coming out of there. Look at that.
Pouring down the door, isn't it? Yeah. The black.
Mo, you really are going to get yourself wet in a minute. And then of course, just get a cloth and wipe it. If it comes, you can always go back into any persistent little places, but this has been a build-up of the whole of the winter with loads of condensation. There we are, tons better. Probably go back in because I'm quite a fuss pot, and I'll probably get right in there. Just keep on going at it. But there we are.
Our first video of 2021. Have a happy new year and all that stuff. You know where to go. Derriton 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Happy New Year.